What the heck is up, my Atlanteans? For today's video, I have something very exciting to open with all of you. For today's video, I will be completing my remix series with Honeylicious. So looking at her box here, she is not too different from the other ones. On the back, it's exactly the same. And then on the front here, it's primarily pink. The reason why she was last was probably because I wasn't planning on getting her. She didn't really like appeal to me in the first place. So that's why I saved her for last, because if I was gonna get her, I wanted to get her on sale. Makes sense, right? So it's just nothing like against how she looks. Like, she looks really cute. It's just that like hip hop isn't really my thing, you know? So I didn't really like care too much for her. She's cute, but she's like not my vibe, you know? Let's get this bitch out of her box, you guys. Ooh! Forgot to mention, you can see her little baby sister on the side and it says, "Hey sis." I don't know what her name is though. So if you can please tell me in the comments, that would be super sweet. So here is her record. It's gonna be all pink and it's gonna say Honeylicious, and then it says REMIX. Oh, you see, I opened her on the wrong side. Oh no. Ooh. So here's her box. It's going to be completely blue and it's the exact same pattern as the other girls. On the side it says Honeylicious featuring Lone Star, who's gonna be her little bestie. On the other side it's just the print, and then on the back it's just all black. Then if we open it up and here we have Honeylicious in her complete outfit. Yeah, I just don't really dig it. Is that wrong of me to say? And then it says, "Honeylicious, my mix is so fly, I gotta put it in airplane mode." And then here we have a little button with Lone Star. It looks like headphones. Here we've got a little button with headphones, and then it says featuring Lone Star and Fashion Remix, because you can remix their outfits. Ooh. We have the little music player. I don't want to look at her yet because that's like a surprise. So we're going to undo the tab and we're gonna listen to it. She's supposed to sing her part, her little. Let's see if it works. All right, so that was super cute, don't you think? I'm glad I finally have all of them. Then let's open up the little surprises here. So here we'll look at the top knob thingy. Ooh, so her shoe box is gonna be blue. And we're gonna open it. Ooh, and she's got pink wrapping paper for her shoes. It's just a clusterfuck of like every color, every primary color, or maybe just like white, black, pink, and blue. They look like sneaker heels, like platform sneaker heels. That's kind of dope, actually. Very 90s vibes. Then let's open the bottom knob here. Ooh. So her hat box is gonna be black this time. This is where the accessories usually are. Then let's open it up. Maybe we'll save this for later because there might be earrings or something in here that I might lose. So we're gonna save this for later. And then let's take a look at Honeylicious. Apparently for some reason, a lot of people, not for some reason, apparently a lot of people find Honeylicious to be their favorite. Maybe it's just the photos. Like, I haven't seen her in real life yet, so let's take her out. Let's take her out. Let's take her out. Ooh. Ooh. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, first of all, I really appreciate how her ponytails are like in the right place. She's so cute. Let's take a look at her little book here, her little magazine. So the actual Honeylicious page just has her, and it says the exact same thing as on her box. It says, "My mix is so fly, I gotta put on airplane mode." Then if you open it up, we've got the lyrics to the song the box plays. And then if you close it up, it turns into a music zine. Oh, and I forgot to mention, all of the shoe boxes, all of their barcodes all say something. So this one, it says, "Heels on my feet." I don't know if y'all can really see that, if it wants to focus. No? Okay, you could take my word for it. All right, so let's take her out here. So to be honest, she is actually really cute, and I get the hype. I get it. Let's just take her out of the box. All right, and here she is with everything set out around her. And as usual, the O.M.G remixes seem to bring a lot of stuff to the table. So as we've seen, she comes with a pair of hectic 90s inspired boots. Let's look at her little hat box now that everything is kind of cleaned out. She's got, oh my god. First of all, she comes with these hectic visors. They're just pink, but there's like little like pixelated, I don't know. It like matches her like camouflage. It's like camo, but without the camo. And then she comes with this amazing little laptop thing. And you can see like the circuits and like the inside parts on both sides of the stickers. I think that's hectic. And then let's open it up. Oh, it's like she's mixing her own tunes, if that's what they say. And then she comes with these two armbands. They're gonna be like a neon pink, very 90s. And then she comes with this super cute like translucent blue watch with the tiniest little like watch face. I don't know if it's printed or stuck onto there, but either way, that is some pretty great like detail there. And then she comes with a plethora of little accessories. So first we have these little gold hoopies, and she comes with this super cute gold dog tag necklace. I love it. That's super cute. And there's like little details like even drawn onto there too. And looking at her little clothing bags, I just want to note that it looks like she's gonna be like very 90s inspired, judging just from these little bags here. And this one, I guess it can be like, this is more reminiscent of like Lone Star's aesthetic, but I guess that makes sense if they're gonna be like best friends and they're switching outfits every so often. I love that. So now let's take a look at this beautiful doll herself. Look at how perfectly printed on her entire face is. Like there's not a single like smudge, there's no like misprintings on her face at all. I really appreciate MGA and the way that they go about doing the products, because they all come out looking pretty good. Maybe sometimes quality control can be an issue, but overall still a lot better than some other toys on the market for sure. She's got these like micro braids. She's got like tons of them, and they're in these like massive side pony braids, and there's two hanging off in the front, and it's like a mix of like this dark brown, this like true brown, and this light neon pink. I love it. It's so cute. I think that she really does actually look really good, disregarding everything that I've thought about in the past. She looks really good, and I love how heavy she is. That just brings up the quality meter in my opinion. She's wearing this camouflage top bikini with like this like gold, I don't even know what it's called, but it's on the top there, and that's super cute. And she's wearing these really cute matching pink underwear. On the underwear band it says L.O.L, O.M.G. So cute. And her nails are pink. Wow. She's very reminiscent of like Alicia and Aaliyah vibes. I think that's what we're getting here. Maybe Destiny's Child, like inspired by Destiny's Child. No one in particular, but just like the Destiny's Child aesthetic. Maybe around like their Survivor days, you know? Either way, super cute. I love that she has green eyes too. Ooh, and little freckles. So let's take a look at her little garment bags here. So the first thing that we're looking in here are her pants. Oh my god, it's got real pockets. Girls' pockets don't even have real pockets. So the top of her little bra thing, it seems to be matching the little, oh my god, I don't even know what it's called, but this goes, ooh, this is confusing. I guess I'll figure it out later, but it's like camouflage, and it's like these, how do you say? They're very big pants. She's got little strappies hanging down, and there's like this thick gold chain going from one pocket to the other. That's so cute. Ooh, and there's like little gold buttons on the top here too. Wow, MGA. Wow, Honeylicious. My expectations have been more than exceeded at this point. So let's take a look at her little headphone ones. Let's see what's in this bag. I'm feeling some denim. Ooh. Ooh, okay, coolness. So to complete her actual outfit, she's got this super cute denim jacket. Oh wow. So it's got all these little gold accents that we love, and the hoodie part is just this gray heather hoodie type of material, and her sleeves are, oh, ooh. So one side is like normal denim and it's like rolled up, and on the other side it's like a bomber jacket type of thing, like a varsity jacket type of, I don't know, it's just like the sleeve is like that, and then there's like a little patch on it, and I think that's supposed to imitate a pocket, but that's super cute either way. The pattern, it's a lot of words. It says world vibes my crew. So cute, but it goes from the back, even the front, all the way to her other sleeve. So yes, I'm super excited to put her in that. So let's skip the last bag and let's put everything together. Let's see how she looks in her complete outfit. Also forgot to mention, of course, like every other one, she comes with her stand as well. This time we're getting it in like a solid pink color, which is interesting because comparing it to like all of the other remix ones, they're all like translucent. This time it's just like a solid pink. I appreciate it, but it's like it's a different taste, but I like it. Oh, a little seat. All right, so here she is in her complete outfit. She is actually looking much cuter than I expected. She's definitely giving off like early Beyonce, early 2000s, late 90s aesthetic, kind of Alicia Keys, kind of Aaliyah. Either way, actually, to be honest, I really like her. Her pants are very big, and that is something that I find very exciting. Also, her pants are like this complicated, it's like strapped up. It's like a separate like strap that goes around her waist, and I think that's like just like a really cute detail. Everything was really easy to put on despite it looking really complicated. I actually really appreciate this one, and her heftiness also helps with how I feel about her quality. The quality is amazing on this one. Not only is everything easy to put on, but everything is like stable, like nothing's gonna really fall off, and it really helps that her hair is in pigtails or ponytails or whatever, and like the sunglasses stay on like really easily. So that's fun, that's a cute thing. And her hood actually fits onto her head. It's just that her massive ponytails are like kind of in the way, but that's still like fun to note, I think. So that's her in her first outfit, and as I've stated before, she comes with a second outfit, and these second outfits, we all know I'm a whore for a second outfit, but not only is it for her, but you can mix and match it with her best friend. Let me go get her best friend. Here's our girl Lone Star, and they're actually going to be able to mix and match their outfit, which I think is really fun, and that actually brings up their playability a little bit too. So that's a cool thing. Let's see what this outfit looks like. Here is the outfit. Let's get her right into there real quick. So here she is in her second outfit. As you can see, 3 out of 10 for me. I can't vibe with it personally, but I will say that it is a complete outfit, even with the little armbands as accessories. So I'll take it. I'll take what I can get. It's not particularly my style, though I do really like the quality of the denim. Everything is stitched on really well, and even though it's a raw hem, everything looks to be all put together, and we love that. Other than that, I don't really know what else to say. I mean, it is an overall type of top, and then on the back of the skirt you can see the little details on the back pockets, and I think that's really cool too. And as I've said, Honeylicious's second outfit is also compatible with Lone Star's outfit, also Lone Star's second outfit, and I'm really excited to see what they look like when we mix and match the outfits together. Let's see what that looks like. All right, so here are them in their like mix matched versions of their second outfits. So here's Lone Star. okay, it's cute. It's cute. I think if this was a real life person, this would be more acceptable. I just think on a doll, maybe this isn't something that I can vibe with. I will never say anything is bad because there has been multiple people looking at this complete outfit and thinking yes. So maybe it's just me personally, but yeah, that's Lone Star. She's wearing Honeylicious's second outfit's top and bottom, and then she's wearing her jacket over her shoulders and her little cowboy boots. And then looking at Honeylicious here, I feel like her second outfit isn't as confusing as Lone Star's. I actually quite like the little bandeau top thing that's going on here, and I like the skirt with the shoes. I think that's a cute oxymoron on each other, I think, maybe. Either way, I think this isn't really for me. But I'll say it's still cute. I'll still say that it's cute. So here they are in my version of what I thought their outfits were gonna look like. I thought they were just gonna like split the denim altogether because I thought like the overall top was very cowboy of her, and I actually really like the skirt, but it's very Coachella, but like it's like Coachella vibes, like how there's like little like tassels at the end of her jacket too, because that's a very like music festival type of thing. And then for Honeylicious, I was getting some like Normani vibes with her second outfit, so I was expecting her to like wear the bandeau top by itself and then like the denim skirt with her sneakers out, and this was just what I thought. Of course, no hate on the creators or whoever took the photos for the Amazon pages. Like, I totally see what you were trying to do and I appreciate it. I just can't completely vibe with it. This is just how I'm gonna display my babies. All right, everyone, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please excuse my definitions if they seem a little negative. There are no negatives when it came to this doll, to be honest. Maybe her outfits are a fun choice that I can't really get behind, but I won't say that was a bad thing. I'll just say that that was different, and I'll say that it was fun. Overall, she is a great doll, great quality, and we love to see some diversity on the doll shelves as well. I love the 90s aesthetic. Hip-hop isn't my thing, but I'll say that she's really cute, and I really do recommend her if you're into that like early 2000s, late 90s hip-hop jam altogether. She's a really great doll, and I'm sure that anyone can love her. Anyone who loves pink, anyone who loves camo, anyone who loves denim will definitely appreciate this babe here. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.